wamenitukana for 2 years mfululizo. Juzi nimewajibu siku moja, na hata sikuwajibu, niliwaambia tu tabia yenu si mzuri, kaeni namna hii, wacheni wizi ya kuibia mayatima na wajane. Hiyo ndio wizi mbaya zaidi. Wacheni mauaji ya wasichana, watoto. Nimewaambia wakuwe na nidhamu, chakula wapunguze, wasikule sana. Sasa hiyo nimesema iko makosa wapi hapo?
You cannot go to Singapore when you don't have power. And we are sitting down here with power. How can I leave power to go and look for shareholders, people who are dividing this country in shareholding? And Mr. President, I know that you have been abused for a long time, and you kept those guns. I didn't know you were keeping them somewhere. Now you have released them.
The truth is that the president of Kenya is being insulted by the opposers in the name of leadership, making those young behind them doing the same as their leaders. But what messed everything is when Mr. President come on the podium live in front of the fellow citizens and throw a payback today. And that has been a biggest day that opposers has gained reactions to condemn the freedom of speech. That too, Mr. President, that too is a human. Show them the reality and how fire can heat fire and cool it without water.